Top Generative AI Model Companies for Private Investors Mid-2025 Update. Welcome to our 2025 mid-year snapshot of the top generative AI companies, now including Elon Musk's xAI, with the most relevant metrics for private investors. Let's break it down by company, analyzing valuation, revenue, leadership, and investment potential. Rocket number 1, OpenAI. OpenAI leads the sector with a private valuation of around $300 billion and an annualized revenue of approximately $10 billion. CEO Sam Altman projects $12.7 billion in revenue for 2025. With over 500 million weekly active users, OpenAI is the most commercially scaled player. An IPO is likely between 2026 and 2027. Brain number 2, xAI. Founded by Elon Musk, xAI has emerged rapidly, with valuations ranging between $80 billion and $113 billion. Despite only $100 to $500 million in revenue, xAI is burning cash at nearly $1 billion per month, with a projected $13 billion loss in 2025. It has raised $14 billion in equity and recently launched a $5 billion debt sale. Key assets include the Grok chatbot, ownership of X, formerly Twitter, and plans for a supercomputer using 1 million Blackwell GPUs. An IPO timeline remains undisclosed, but scale and capital demands suggest potential readiness by late 2026 or beyond. Globe number 3, Anthropic. Led by Dario Amodei, Anthropic holds a valuation over $30 billion, with annualized revenue nearing $3 billion. The company has tripled its revenue in just 5 months and added Netflix co-founder Reed Hastings to its board. An IPO is expected in the 2025 to 2026 window. Chart number 4, Scale AI. Valued at $25 billion, Scale AI specializes in labeled data for AI training. Under CEO Alexander Vang, the company earned around $870 million in 2024, with projections to cross $2 billion in 2025. Year-over-year revenue growth sits at 130%, and an IPO is tentatively planned for 2026. Hug number 5, Hugging Face. With a valuation north of $4.5 billion, Hugging Face reported $130 million in revenue for 2024. Led by Clément Bileng, the company serves 50,000-plus enterprise clients and has secured $395 million in funding. Its growth rate is impressive at nearly 86% year-over-year. Brain number 6, Cohere. Valued at $5.5 billion, Cohere earned $30 million in 2024 and projects $70 million for 2025. Run by Aidan Gomez, the company focuses on enterprise LLMs and boasts a 131% year-over-year growth rate. IPO planning is underway for 2026. DNA number 7, Thinking Machines. This stealthier player is valued at $10 billion, with leadership from Mira Murati, the former CTO of OpenAI. In 2025, it raised $2 billion in Series B funding and is focused on building agentic AI infrastructure. Revenue details and IPO plans remain private. Europe number 8, Mistral AI. Founded in 2023, Mistral AI has quickly grown to a $6.2 billion valuation. Led by Arthur Mensch, the company emphasizes open-source AI models and is becoming a global contender in the developer-focused LLM space. Key takeaways for investors. OpenAI and Anthropic lead in commercial performance, scale, and IPO readiness. xAI offers high upside, but comes with high volatility, extreme burn, and integration complexity via X. Companies like Scale AI, Cohere, and Hugging Face are fast-growing, revenue-positive, and enterprise-focused, ideal for medium-term investment horizons. Emerging players like Thinking Machines and Mistral represent early-stage, high-risk opportunities with ambitious tech missions. As of mid-2025, the generative AI sector is expanding rapidly, with varied approaches to monetization, infrastructure, and scale. Whether you're a long-term institutional investor or a venture-backed angel, understanding these metrics is crucial. Stay tuned for our next update and invest wisely.